Hello everyone. Tool compensation is always a crucial step of the engineering of the stamping process. In my last webinar, I talked about robust compensation, what it is, why to apply it, how to apply it. And I was mainly focused on the activities and the tasks that you have to perform while you are in the CAE world, the world of simulation. But as all we know, things must get real, right? So the question becomes, how do I make sure that what was validated makes its way through the real tool? In the upcoming webinar, I'm going to talk about how what was validated in the simulation world is then implemented with the required CAD quality for the tool surface manufacturing. This ensures that reality matches simulation as close as possible. In other words, we will be talking about the workflow of the tool geometry with a strong focus on compensation, on the validation of the compensation law and rules, and how it gets to the final shape so that they are ready for milling. So what to take care of, what to consider, and what to not overlook. I am Gianfranco Ruggiero, and I'm Senior Product Manager here at Autoform. And together with my colleague Varner, we are going to talk about how to fill the gap between the simulation world, the CAE world, and the CAD geometry world, the CAD geometry creation world, if you will, and how to make these two worlds actually work as one. As usual, there are going to be two sessions, one at 9 a.m., the second one at 4 p.m. Central European time, so that you can pick the one that best suits your schedule. Either you are a manager of the tool and die department, or you are a process engineer, or you work in the CAD department, I think you should attend this webinar, because you're going to see how to make sure that what was validated and simulated shows up in the real tool shop. I hope I'll see you there. Thank you. Bye.